Hi, I'm Brenda, owner of A.B.E. Carpet Cleaning and More. Did you know your patients and customers often view the appearance of the upholstered furniture in your waiting area as a reflection of the type of service they will receive from you and the cleanliness of your practice and business? In addition to spills and stains from coffee, tea, and other beverages, dust, pollen, and food crumbs seeping into upholstered furniture can become zones for bacteria. It's easy to determine the condition of your upholstered furniture by performing this simple test. Number 1. Dampen with water. Number 2. Scrub the surface of the upholstery. Number 3. Take a light-colored terry cloth towel or microfiber cloth and scrub the towel onto the surface of the upholstery. An inspection of the towel at this time should help you determine if a professional deep cleaning is called for. Many medical practices and business owners are often surprised how much dirt and grime have become trapped in the fibers of their chairs and sofas. A.B.E. Carpet Cleaning and More can provide a deep cleaning with equipment designed and products specially formulated for upholstered furniture. Our before and after pictures show the dramatic results that can be achieved with an occasional deep cleaning. For greater protection, and to maximize the time between professional cleanings, A.B.E. can apply Scotchgard fabric protector, which helps repel liquids and block stains without changing the look and feel of the fabric. Contact us today for more information and to schedule an appointment. Visit us online at www.abecarpetcleaning.com for additional services and special offers.